Hi, my name is Zorzonello, and if you don't know me, when I was 22, I had an anoxic brain injury and I died for 23 minutes. That's why my voice sounds like this, and that's also why I'm left legally blind. Down below in the description box, there will be a link to a playlist about my anoxic brain injury, so if you're interested in learning more about how I died for 23 minutes and what happened afterwards, go ahead and go watch it. It's very educational, and I highly recommend you checking it out. But in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing. I already sliced it open so that it would be easier, but I haven't peeked inside. But I'm gonna be unboxing the Smokey Glow and Midas Cosmetics collab. So I'm really excited for this. I found Smokey Glow. Her real name is Hannah. I found her back in November, shortly before Glowmas, and I binge watched all of her videos and I became obsessed with her. She is a wicked, nice, funny, caring person. That's what it seems, at least on camera, and probably in real life she is the same way. But anyways, she ended up collabing with a small indie company. For those of you who don't know, an indie makeup company is a company that is independently owned, not owned by a bigger company. Does that make sense to you? I hope it does. So anyways, I'm wicked excited about this. It was supposed to ship out a while ago, but because of the coronavirus and Midas Cosmetics factory being in China, they had to delay it. But I guess the coronavirus isn't supposed to live on like items. They can only transfer person to person, so hopefully I don't catch it from this, which I don't think I will. So in the box, first thing on top is a picture of Hannah, Smokey Glow, and a little note from her, but since I'm blind, I can't read it to you. And then she had made a video saying that she was gonna include a custom makeup bag or whatever. I forget how she said it, for all of the people that did the pre-order, because it was delayed because of the virus. So now I have this cute little makeup bag. It's a good size and probably can fit a good bit of stuff. And it says, "Hi friends." That's what she says at the beginning of all her videos. Hi friends! So these packing peanuts, I think they're called, a wicked pain in the ass, but hopefully the palette is all set. So it comes bubble wrapped like this. And on the front, I believe it just says Smokey Glow, and it is like this really pretty mauve color. And then the palette itself is a pink color. It's really pretty. It is like a kind of shimmery packaging, and it says her name and Midas Cosmetics at the top. Let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, it's really pretty. It has a mirror in it, which I will never use because I use a 10x zoom mirror to do my makeup since I'm blind. Oh wow, these colors are really pretty. So now I'm not really a pink or purple type of makeup wearer, especially eyeshadow, but I bought it anyways to try to get myself out of my comfort zone, but I bought it really for the more neutrally shades like the ones down the bottom and the brown one, and not really the pinks or the purples, which is the majority of the palette. But I bought it because I really like Hannah, and so I wanted to support her. And now I believe she says this about other people's collabs. Don't buy a collab if you're not really gonna use it. You can support YouTubers by just watching the video, giving it a thumbs up, like you should give this video a thumbs up right now, and go ahead and subscribe. But I will get really good use out of the neutral shades, and I'm gonna try to get out of my comfort zone. Maybe you will see me with a bright pink look in the future, maybe not. But I really like it, and it's lightweight, good for travel. So the next thing is this. I believe this is, I bought it, okay, so when this collection launched, I was at the hairdresser's getting my hair done, and the alarm that me and my mother set somehow didn't go off, so I missed the initial pre-sale launch. But when I got home like a couple hours later and tried to buy they were selling like the PR bundle, like the box with everything in it for a discounted price, but that PR package was sold out, so I just bought the items individually. So this is the lip gloss trio, and this box is way more sparkly than this box was. And she has said that she had did that for a certain reason I can't remember, but I will link her video below of her reveal of this collab. So this is the lip gloss trio. So this is what the lip gloss trio looks like. The names are down the bottom. It goes Hi Friends, Sparkle On, and Never Dull. And I'm most interested in the Sparkle On shade. I'm not gonna try it on right now because it is really hard for me to put on lip products, and so I'm just gonna wait to use it later on today. But if you guys want an update or a review on any of this stuff, let me know down in the comments and I will sure do that for you. So the last thing is the highlighter palette, which I am most excited about. Again, it comes bubble wrapped. So this is the highlighter packaging. It is really cute too, and the actual palette itself is really sparkly again. Oh wow, these are really pretty. This pinkish shade is called Slay because she has this series on her channel called Slay Zorzonello, I believe. And this one is the one I'm most excited for, and it's called Yes, because she also has the series called Yes or Pass, and she has sound effects that come in, and it is really cool. But her Yes or Pass series is when she talks about new product releases and if she's gonna purchase them or pass on them, and I think it's a great idea. If you guys would be interested in seeing me do a video kinda like that, let me know and I would be more than happy to give it a go. But this yeah shade is the perfect shade for me. Let me swatch it. Oh, it's nice and soft. That's what it looks like on my middle finger. And I'm gonna... I don't know if it's the light, like, kind of blowing out the shimmer, if you guys can see it or not, but in person, it's popping. So I didn't put any highlighter on today when getting ready because I knew that I wanted to try yes. So I'm gonna take my Scott Barnes brush, which is the video where I haul this in my luxury haul is actually going up today when I'm filming this on the 12th of March. So I'll link it down below in the description box if you want to go watch it after, but I haul a bunch of luxury makeup. So let's try it. Oh wow, I really like it. It's not too intense, but it is still pigmented and really pretty. I think I might have accidentally got some pink on this since I was holding it. When normally I do my makeup, I leave the palette on my vanity so I don't accidentally bump into another shade. I'm gonna put a little more on, and now it might not be showing up on camera because the light might be washing it out, but in person it is really, really pretty. Can you see it? I see it in person and it looks really good. So I really like how the color looks, but I don't think this is the best brush to apply it with. I think I would probably apply this highlighter with the Anastasia A23 brush and it would be popping, but like this brush I used a couple of days ago for a milk makeup and ultra highlighter, and it worked good for both of those, but some brushes work best with some products and some don't. But I'm gonna do my nose highlight. So I highlight my nose with my finger. Okay, and I really like how this highlighter looks. It's not too intense, but it's really glowy in person, but I think this side I picked up a little bit of the pink, but I really like it. So I'm not sure if this, she said this collection was gonna be restocked, but I'm not sure when it is or what or anything about that, but I will link down below in the description box Smokey Glow's videos on her collab with Midas, and I really hope that you enjoyed my unboxing and a look at the products. Let me know down in the comments, what do you want to see next? Do you want to see me do a review on these? or what. Like, let me know. And go ahead and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram to stay more up to date with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.